church bell rang, nobody moved. White umbrellas filled the street. Every window closed at once, like they knew what was coming. A paper bird fell from the sky, landing softly at my feet. Its wings were made of letters no one could ever read. When I blinked, the rooftops disappeared. Only the lighthouse stayed awake. Someone whispered, "Don't look back." So I watched the ocean change. If the sky starts crying, don't say my name. If the flowers turn to rivers, walk away. If tomorrow comes without me, let it rain. I followed footprints left in rain across an empty stone bridge. Every step echoed twice, like someone walked with me. The lighthouse lost its light. One window stayed aglow. A little girl held a candle, shielding it from the storm. Someone whispered, "Don't be afraid." So I kept walking on. If the sky starts crying, don't say my name. If the flowers turn to rivers, walk away. If tomorrow comes without me, let it rain. When the last light went out, every bird left the sky. Only one blue feather fell into my hands. The wind carried every secret across the silent sea of clouds. No one called my name, only rain remembered me. If the sky starts crying, don't say my name. If the flowers turn to rivers, walk away. If tomorrow comes without me, let it until the sun finds the morning without rain.